Mahalakshmi, go ahead and tell why. What is your point against Machilipatnam?
I don't like Machilipatnam. I do not like Machilipatnam because on the road.
On the roads?
On the road they are trash.
There is a lot of trash. And what else?
And there are lots of cows and buffaloes.
Can you say that louder?
There are also many cows and buffaloes.
There are a lot of cows and buffaloes. Okay.
In all streets.
Okay, on the streets. Okay. So that's why you do not like Machilipatnam. Anything else you want to say? Okay, we'll come back to you again. Okay. Thank you very much. Give her a big hand. Okay. So what Mahalakshmi is saying, what Mahalakshmi is saying is people throw trash on the roads, lot of garbage on the roads, and there are lot of cows and buffaloes will be going on the streets. That's why that is 1 point, 2 point. Those are 2 points she doesn't like about Machilipatnam. Okay, guys. Can you tell anything for?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Dattatreya. I am studying 5th class in Basham religion. Today I am going to tell you about my opinion of why Machilipatnam is a good town to live in. Machilipatnam is a good town to live in because there are many plants and trees and and no one cuts down trees in Machilipatnam and they don't do deforestation or anything.
Okay.
That's why I like Machilipatnam. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. Jai Hind.
Very good. Very good. So Dattatreya likes Machilipatnam because there are a lot of trees around. It's people don't cut down trees just like that, and it's really good to live in. Okay. Who will speak next against? Okay. Shashidhar, come on.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Shashidhar Raju. I am studying 3rd class in Nemla High School. Today I am saying.
What is your point against Machilipatnam?
Machilipatnam is.
తెలుగులో చెప్తావా పోనీ? తెలుగులో గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Roads are not clean.
Roads are not clean. What else? What else don't you like about Machilipatnam? ఇంకేం నచ్చదు?
Traffic lights are not there.
అవి చెప్పేశారు కదా. ఓకే, దట్స్ గుడ్. బట్ ఇంకేమన్నా కొత్తవి చెప్తే బాగుంది. నీకు హైదరాబాద్లో కానీ విజయవాడలో కానీ నచ్చింది, బందర్లో లేనిది ఏంటి అవి చెప్పాలి.
Good toy shops are there.
బందర్లో టాయ్ షాప్స్ మంచివి లేవా? ఓకే, అందుకని నీకు
I do not like Machilipatnam.
ఓకే టాయ్ షాప్స్ బాగా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే నీకు నచ్చేదా? ఓకే లెట్స్ గివ్ ఏ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్. దట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, సో kids like toys and they like to go shopping for toys in toy shops, right? బందర్లో అలాంటివి బిగ్ బజార్ లాంటి షాప్స్ ఏమీ లేవు. ఓకే ఆల్ రైట్. హూ ఎల్స్ విల్ సే అగైన్స్ట్ వైభవ్? విల్ యూ సే ఏ పాయింట్ అగైన్స్ట్ మచిలీపట్నం? ఓకే, గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Good morning, my name is K. Lalit Vaibhav. Good morning, my name is K. Lalit Vaibhav. I am studying 2nd class.
బందర్ అంటే ఎందుకు నీకు అంత నచ్చదు? లేకపోతే బందర్లో ఉన్నవి ఏవి నచ్చట్లేదు నీకు? ఇంకేమైనా కావాలా?
Houses.
హౌసెసా?
Clean.
హౌసెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ క్లీన్. ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, సరే అయితే. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. సో హౌసెస్. కిరణ్, గో హెడ్. వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు స్టే?
Good morning. Good morning. My name is G. Sai Kiran. I am studying 7th standard in Gautam Concept. Today, Machilipatnam have no neat roads, and everywhere there are
Garbage?
garbage holes on
Holes on roads, okay.
And the buffaloes.
Okay.
It is all on the roads, and we have no rules.
Okay, can you tell something new that we haven't already covered?
We have no police.
Police
Police.
surveillance, okay. Police control is not very good.
Police control. Police just do not take care of the traffic and
Okay.
control the people. Control the people. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So you would like to see more police controlling the traffic and better roads. Okay, very good. All right, give me a big hand.